my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'm preparing some lunch. It's late and so I have to make it very quickly. So I'll be preparing matoke, and right now I have to peel quickly. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So matoke is really one of our best food to cook around here because we like it a lot. And it's prepared in many different ways. So today I'll be showing you how I prepare it when we are out of time, and actually it's a rainy season, so it's hard for me to cook from outside. So since I'll be using a charcoal stove, I'll be preparing it in an easier way. And this will go to the goats. So now I'll put the bananas in a much smaller saucepan, add water, and then cover with the banana leaf. Just like that, and then off with the fire. Our stove is still lighting, but I'll put it, and then I'll cover it, and that's it. So right now our matoke is ready. Make sure there is no water. So it cooked and all the water got finished. I'll now use a mingling stick and mash it. So I always do this in case I need to eat matoke quickly, or when I'm using a charcoal stove for cooking, because I have to save charcoal. You make sure all the water is finished before you mash, because if you mash when it has water, the matoke will be so slippery and the taste will not be good. So in this saucepan, I've already put the banana fibers and then one old banana leaf. So I'll put a fresh one and then add in this one as well. Then I'll scoop the matoke and put it. So I put it back in the banana leaves because I want it to get that nice aroma that comes out of the banana leaves. And this stage the cooking is already done, so I'll not use a lot of charcoal. But right now it's not raining, so I'll take it outside and use firewood for steaming it. Then I'll just collect it. So this is one of the easiest ways you can prepare your matoke while saving charcoal or firewood or even gas, and it still comes out so nice. It's actually hard for someone to tell that you didn't cook it the normal way. Just like that. Our food will be ready to go. So I'll take it from the fire now. Right now I brought the matoke for steaming. As you can see, we've got some sunshine today, but the whole area is still muddy. So let's wait for a little while. So that's how so easy it is. Remove our matoke. Look at how soft it is. I think we've learned how to make soft matoke the easiest way. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.